fire weaves a narrow path between being useful and pure destruction. It's important to treat fire with respect by following established procedures, maintaining equipment so it won't start a fire, and being prepared for any fire on the rig. OSHA requires that employers have a fire prevention plan. The purpose of H&P's fire plan is to outline the actions personnel should take if there is a fire on the rig. These actions include reporting, containing, and extinguishing any fires, and possibly abandoning the drill site. It also identifies the equipment available and its location, common fuels, and the responsibilities of each person on the site if a fire occurs. Fires are classified according to types of fuel being burned. The fire extinguishers used to extinguish the different classes of fires are not all the same. The faceplate of every fire extinguisher shows the class or classes of fire it's designed to fight. A dry chemical extinguisher is a fire extinguisher that's designed to fight Class A, B, and C fires. It's often called an ABC extinguisher and is the most common type found on the rigs. To properly use a fire extinguisher, follow the PASS procedure. P. Hold the pin. A. Aim the extinguisher hose or nozzle at the bottom of the fire. S. Squeeze the trigger. S. Sweep it slowly back and forth, covering the entire fire with the extinguishing substance. If a fire cannot be contained with portable fire extinguishers, then personnel should evacuate the area and request assistance from the nearest fire station. Fire prevention requires the control or removal of potential fuel and ignition sources on the drill site. Rig managers and their rig crews are expected to evaluate their operation for potential fire hazards. All fuel sources should be identified and controls established to prevent an uncontrolled release of liquids or gases. Examples of common fuel sources in drilling operations include crude oil and gases from the wellbore, diesel fuel, paints and solvents, mud mixing products, compressed gases, oil-soaked rags and clothing, generators, electric motors, and electrical wiring. All ignition sources should also be identified. These include open flames, arcs, sparks and slag during hot work, faulty or damaged electrical cords and devices, barbecue grill, and even vehicles. Any of these can potentially start fires. By following established procedures and being prepared, if there is a fire on the rig, you can keep yourself and your coworkers safe.